Okay, student. Now I am going to explain next 6 lines means seven to 12. First of all, I will read the poem. Student, I think you have also flown a kite in your life, and you are also looking beautiful and colorful, full of bright, means a lot of beautiful contains kite you have seen in your life, surely. So I know that you know very well about kite. Kites are of in different colors, and it has a different beauty on the basis of color, brightness of paper, etc. Okay, student. Now I am reading lines of your poem, The Kite. The lines 7 to 12. As over tides, up bids it rides, climb to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Means, in this poet explains about the different situation of a kite on the basis of wind blows. If wind blows, if the wind blows forcefully, and if the wind blows swiftly, there are two conditions. Wind blows under force and wind blows swiftly. There are two conditions applied by the poet in these lines. Poet imagines if the wind blows forcefully, then the kite reaches highest point in the clear sky or in the blue sky. Okay, student? And in another condition, if wind comes in rest or wind comes in slow, means swiftly blowing, slowly blowing, then the string of the kite becomes loose and the kite comes towards the earth and also comes in the rest position. In these 6 lines, poet describe these 2 points. Just I have taught you, I have told you. Okay, student? Now, also look towards the explanation points. When wind blows fast, it helps the kite to float in the sky. In the sky. Same matter, just I have explained you. With the sudden and falling blows of winds, means strong winds, it goes up to the highest point in the sky in a wavy manner. The way of ship moves on the ocean, but as soon the wind slows down, it seems as if it has told her to rest and the wind becomes very slow. Okay, student? Dear student, now look. Third, 6 lines, and I have taken lines 13 to 18. Lines 13 to 18. First of all, I will read the poem. Read the poem. Then I will explain. When a string goes slack, when a string goes slack, you bend it back. You bend it back and run until a new breath blows and its wings fill and up it goes. In these lines, poet tells us about a kite. And in different situations, if we fly a kite in the sky, then it binds with a string, with a thread, and with the help of thread, when wind blows fastly, it goes up and up. It goes up and up. And it flies while there is a bent floats forcefully. If there is bent floats forcefully, means if there is bend present, then at that time kites flies in the blue sky. Kite flies in the blue sky. Okay, student? When winds become slow, the thread also becomes loose. And in this situation, kite comes towards the earth. In this situation, kite comes towards the earth. Okay, student? Now, I have also written explanation on the blackboard, and if you are explaining again and again or more than one, you can take help of these lines. You will read these lines and very means simply you will get explanation of these three of these 6 lines are good. Okay, student? Now I will read the explanation of the 6 lines. Okay, student? In these lines, poet explains about a kite which is in air at time. If kite flies in the sky and its string is light but wind becomes slow, then the string of the kite becomes loose and again start to fly in the blowing air, and in this situation kite goes up in the sky. Means if there is no wind, means the wind is just like a bridge, then the kite does not go up in the sky, because in this situation the string of the kite becomes very loose. And when wind blows fastly, means the wind blows strongly, then a kind of force applies on the kite and it goes up and up, and it goes up and up while the strong wind blows. Okay, student?